Somewhere under this cold, wet field near Rowton in North Norfolk, Anglian Water know they've got a leak. The problem is, they don't know where. But now a new and high-tech solution to an age-old problem. In this box is a specialist flying drone. It's fitted with thermal imaging cameras, and once it's up in the air, can look for hotspots in the ground that could be the source of a hidden leak, which is a much better way of finding them compared to the old-fashioned way.
Really, probably through putting digger to ground. Really, we would have had to have cut this pipe into section, which means many excavations. We're talking a length today of about 1,500 metres, so basically a mile's worth of pipe work. Yeah, very labour intensive. You'd have to have a gang here probably all day, digging holes willy-nilly all over the place just to locate it.
Sending up one of these drones is a brand new idea. Anglian Water are thought to be the first company to try out the technology to find hard-to-spot leaks in their network.
Where there's a leak, water will be escaping to the surface and there will be a hot spot. It's not particularly hot, but it's a difference in temperature that is visible. So the water is flowing through the pipeworks at about 10 degrees Celsius, and the ambient temperature today is about 2 degrees Celsius. So there's enough of a difference there that the thermal imaging camera can pick up where the water is escaping from the pipe to the surface.
This is what the drone sends back down to the ground. Here you can see an area that could potentially be a leak. The data's then sent off, processed, and comes back looking a bit like this. A hidden leak that can be quickly fixed at much less cost, as there's no guesswork or trial and error to try and find it. And less cost and fewer leaks is good news for our water bills.
We are always out trying to find new ways to find and fix leaks, and the drones are just one piece of that new technology. Last year we found and fixed 7,000 leaks before anyone even knew about them. In total we repair about 29,000 leaks every single year. We hate leaks as much as our customers, and that's why we do everything we can to get out there, find them and fix them.
This project's been running for more than 3 months, and the company see it as the future. An eye in the sky, which could help us keep an eye on our bills. Neil Perry, Mustard TV, Rowton.